Hi, I'm John Melton Brady. I make videos, I write video scripts, and I point out obvious censorship in America. I also encourage those behind the scenes to make videos about their business. Those working behind the scenes in government, politics, or anywhere are taking part in the censorship of America, the world, and themselves. They're making videos. We'll change that. They're making videos about what they do that goes unreported about in the news media. We'll bring about change all across the world. Remember, those at the top of your business aren't afraid of me or you talking to anyone or anyone making videos about anything, even your business or your life. Make those videos. Let's bring about positive change.